welcome back to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. So today you have again my bare face and we are gonna do a homemade facial with just one ingredient, which is tomatoes. So tomatoes are great for your skin. So today what we're going to do is we're going to make a cleanser, a scrub and a mask. So it's almost like having your facial done at a parlor, but very cheap, perfect at home, and tomatoes are just superfoods for your skin. So let's quickly get started. So to make all these three, we just need one tomato because we're just gonna cut about here and use this portion for the scrub, and the rest of the portion we're gonna make we're gonna remove the pulp and just gonna take only the tomato juice and we're gonna make the cleanser and the mask. So I'm just going to cut about so much, and this portion we're going to use for the scrub, and this I will grind and get only the tomato juice, and I will be back. So here we have our tomato pulp and I've divided it into two portions. This is the other portion that we are going to use for the face mask. So to this portion for the cleanser, I've added few drops of rose water also. You can skip it if you want, but I just like the aroma and the goodness that the rose water has, so I always use it for a cleanser. So I've just added a little bit of rose water to this cleanser. Now let's put this on the face. So for that I have a cotton ball and I'm just going to dip it and apply it. Hey guys, so using tomato as a cleanser is a wonderful way to start your skincare, as it opens up the pores and lets the goodness of the juice sink in, and this helps to tighten and firm the skin. So I'm just applying this all over my face, and I'm not going to let it sit for long, maybe about just 2 to 3 minutes, and then I will wash it off, and let's move on to the scrub. Here I have some sugar, and I'm going to use our tomato half, just dip it in this sugar, and I'm just going to scrub off all the dead skin. So I'm just going to dip it, and we're going to scrub this on our face, all over our face and neck, and this will remove all the dead skins, and also if you have dry skin, this is really good. So this tomato sugar scrub, it is a perfect remedy for clearing dead cells and tanned skin, because this is what makes your skin look dull and aged, and by removing the dead cells, it helps in relaxing and comforting your skin, and hence treats all skin problems and makes the skin look fresh and smooth. Sugar is the main scrubbing agent here, and it helps in scrubbing the dead cells and regenerates new skin cells. So now we're going to start off by making the face mask. So for this I have besan or gram flour. So we are going to add 2 teaspoons of besan, and then to this we are going to add about another teaspoon of honey, a teaspoon of milk or even cream. Heavy cream is also really good. And of course our main ingredient, the tomato puree. I'm just going to mix it all in. So we have our face mask ready here, and I'm going to apply this on my face now. Tomatoes are all you need to improve your skin complexion, because it acts as a sunscreen and brightens dull skin. It also helps in delaying the aging process by helping the skin to absorb more oxygen. It has vitamin C, vitamin A and rich antioxidants, which help in shrinking your large pores and also preventing a lot of acne. The citrus content makes it a natural bleaching agent, and hence gives an even skin color and makes your skin super soft to touch. I've washed my face and I've just applied some moisturizer. So I hope you like this video. This is a super easy 20-minute facial that you can just do at home if you have maybe like a function or a party to attend. So and you will just come up with some glowing skin. So see you soon guys, and let me know if you have any other video requests as such, and I would love to do it for you. Until next time, see you soon. Bye bye, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and also don't forget to ring that notification bell so you get notified every time I upload a new video. Take care guys. Bye bye.